subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new flagship 5G phone under Reno series called Oppo Reno5 along with the Reno5 Pro in China. And among these two, the Oppo Reno5 is the most affordable phone under this series. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno5 features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 91.7% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports a hole punch at the top left corner that carries an 32-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also features an electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno5 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by 4300 mAh battery that supports 65 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.1 by 73.4 by 7.9mm and it weighs around 172 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno5 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Aurora Blue, Moonlight Black and Starry into a Dream color options. And the phone is set to go on sale starting from December 18th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno5 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.